Hi everyone, and welcome to week 3. This week we're going to start looking at academic discourse. What is it? What makes it different from other genres? I have the screen pulled up here because some of you have let me know that you're a little unsure about how to navigate our course page. So let's do that first. As you can see, we're on a home page, and this left-hand menu is where you always need to go. You can click on the announcements and see any announcement. I'll just do it right now that I've posted, and they always are listed in order of the last one that I posted will be on top. And then the discussion board is the other important place that you always need to go to. And this week you will go to week 3, click on week 3, create your thread, that's your post, and I always try to set it up so you can go back and edit your posts even after you've posted them in case you see an error or want to change something. So if you have any other questions about Blackboard and how we get around in it, just let me know, okay? This week you have 3 required readings about mental illness and how the media and really the society in general tends to stigmatize mental illness. So why are we reading so much in this writing course the first few weeks? Well, as I've said, to be a better writer, you need to be a better reader. The second is learning about the different genres of writing helps you know which ones are credible sources, which ones are reliable for when you do your research for your papers. And then the third reason is to introduce you to academic discourse, which is the focus of this course, in case you haven't ever read or written academic discourse. So the 3 genres are different this week about the same topic. In week 5, which is week after next, we're going to have another week of reading next week too, but in week 5 we begin working on our first major writing assignment, which is the synthesis essay. So the reading will start easing up and you'll increase all your writing time. After you finish reading, the readings that will be posted in this announcement with this video, they are also in the course schedule, and I should show you that too while we're on the page here. Down below this line is the course schedule. If you click on that, you can always find the information that you need for the week. So, for example, when I go down here to week 3, there are my readings, but they'll also be in the announcement. I'll try to put it in 2 places. Here's what you're supposed to do with them. And the thing this week is you only have to respond to 1. Please note that. 1 of your classmates' posts instead of 2. Your post is due by Friday night at midnight, and then read one of your classmates' posts and respond to it by Sunday. I made a note on the discussion board to please try to share the love and respond to one of your classmates that may not have a response yet. The discussion board is really important, and I want you to take it seriously because it's a big part of your participation grade for this class, both posting and responding and meeting the due dates. And participation is 20% of your grade in this course. It also helps you get to know each other better, communicate with each other, but it's also a chance for you to practice writing as you're doing some reading, and it gives me a chance to read your writing too. So don't just think of it as assignments, like, just to post stuff, but think of them as smaller writing assignments, okay? And I don't comment all the time on Blackboard posts, but I read every single word of every single one of them and make a note about postings, due dates, everything, responses. And then from time to time we'll also have some extra assignments for extra points. So, and those 2 things, doing well on the discussion board and maybe turning in the assignments for extra points as they come along in the semester, it can really make a difference in your overall grade, okay? The last thing I need to tell you in this week's announcement is that due to some late registrations, some of your classmates, I'm still collecting the last of the surveys. I've just about gotten them all. And I will post the small group schedule in an announcement later this week. You should always get a notification anytime I post an announcement. And it's really very important also that you read the announcements carefully, watch the videos carefully, because they'll contain either instruction and or important information that will help you navigate and keep up with the course. Our small groups that I'm putting you into right now based upon the surveys won't start meeting until week 5 when we begin working on the synthesis essay assignment. So stay tuned. I'm really working hard to try to place you in a small group that works with your schedule. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know as always, and happy reading this week.